Clive Mono Muundu. I'm a Zimbabwean session guitarist and music producer. This is a program that I call How I Played It, where I demonstrate and break down some of the most popular guitar lines that I played for various artists. So, as you might have guessed, today I'm working on a song that I played, or that we played with Oliver Mtukudzi on the album called Nava. The reason why I'm saying we is because on the album we were two guitarists, me and the late Philani Dube. So there are two main guitar lines on the lead guitar that I'm going to break down. The first one is the main guitar line. That's the guitar line that I played when Oliver was doing the vocals. It goes like... Yeah. So we were in the key of B, and I was mostly playing everything on the fret number 12. So the line, I'll try to play it very simply and demonstrate how I executed the melody. So I'll start by this one. Then I'll play it once again. It's then so to produce that percussive sound, like I always demonstrate, you take the palm of your hand and put it on the bridge. So instead of it sounding like, it will sound like. So I'll try to play it with the normal tempo. It's supposed to be. So that's the melody line that I'll be playing throughout when Oliver Mtukudzi was doing his lead vocals. Then when we came to the instrumental part, the instrumental part was created and played by Philani Dube, and it goes like... So you are starting on string number 3. It's then goes to then. Let me repeat it once again. It's then so let me play it with the song. So basically those are the two guitar lines, the main lead guitar lines on the song. The intro part, I don't think we can deal with it at this moment, but generally that's the two guitar lines on the song. Please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Mono Muundu Music. I hope you enjoyed the demonstrations. See you on the next episode.